Good morning and thank you everyone for having me here. Does age really matter while taking action? I believe that age doesn't matter while taking action. Today, through my talk, I'll share you two real life examples why age doesn't matter while taking action. Age is just a number for me. Age is not a barrier if you have committed yourself to take action and bring a change. The first real life example of why age doesn't matter while taking action is me, myself. When I was 10 years old, I used to have a friend whose father worked in a comic company. Every day, my friend used to flaunt the new latest edition magazines that he used to get from his father. So I just saw that as an opportunity to make money from the comics that he's getting. So I used that opportunity and started giving those comics on rent to our other friends in the society for 5 rupees per week. This was my first micro venture that I started when I was 10 years old. The main motive for me to start this micro venture was to earn that 5 rupee ice cream on every weekend. What I did was just I took all the comics from my friend, gave it to our other friends in the society, and on every weekend we took back those magazines and took along with those magazines those 5 rupees. And those 5 rupees was my first income that I made when I was 10 years old. Later on, I went on to pursue higher studies and did BCom from Delhi University. When I was studying BCom, that time I saw another problem, the problem of cigarette butts. When I noticed this problem of cigarette butts, I saw that as an opportunity again. After doing little bit of research, I found that there are no recyclers in India who are recycling cigarette waste. So I grabbed that opportunity with both my hands and started building an industry and a company of recycling cigarette waste. It's been 7 years now I've been running this organization, and in these 7 years we have been successfully been able to recycle more than 12 billion cigarette butts in our 7 years of journey. And that's not all. After recycling these 12 billion cigarette butts, we have been able to save more than 300 billion liters of water from contamination, and we have been able to offset more than 480 billion grams of carbon footprint from our environment. During my journey of these 7 years of recycling cigarette waste, I met our another second real life example who has redefined my question and has given me the answer no to the question that age actually doesn't matter while taking action. Meet our young leader Arush. I met him in 2023. He comes from a small city in Shambhaji Nagar, Maharashtra, which was earlier known as Aurangabad. He was in the 7th standard when we met online. When we met, he told me that he saw our journey and he saw about our initiative online, and he also wanted to do something similar of collecting cigarette butts in his city for recycling purpose. So we joined hands together and we said, no problem, you take action, whatever action you take, we will support you in all your efforts. So he took small actions every day. The first baby step that he took was to create small receptacles or bins to collect these cigarette butts. For making these bins, to make it a low investment business model and a low investment initiative, he took old cardboard boxes from the local scrap dealers and converted them into portable bins. After making these bins, he started giving out these bins to the nearby shops where people used to buy and smoke cigarettes. He didn't stop there. He also created awareness and educated all the shop owners and the smokers that cigarette butts are the number one littered single-use plastic. And we need a solution. We need to appropriately dispose these cigarette butts and use the bins that he is providing. He didn't stop and he didn't restrict himself to create awareness till the shop owners only. He went out to reach out to mass places like bus stations, railway stations, and he reached out to municipal corporations in his city. He went out to speak to all the higher officials where he educated them and demanded their support towards his initiative. All the authorities supported him, helped him in collecting a lot of waste, and after 20 days, within 20 days, he was able to collect more than 3,300 cigarette butt pieces. After collecting that, his motivation was not just to make his city clean and free from cigarette butts, his motivation was different. His 20 days effort started getting appreciation and started getting acknowledged by local newspapers. He started getting features in social media, in newspapers, and this is one of the examples that came out in a local newspaper in Maharashtra, which featured his work and showcased his work of how within 20 days he was able to collect cigarette butts from his city. He also vocalized and reached out to our Prime Minister and submitted his story for Man Ki Baat. But the motivation behind him and the motivation for him was not to just collect cigarette butts. He actually had participated in an annual competition which is Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaigyanik competition, which is an annual competition. And the results were evident. He bagged the first prize and he won the gold medal for his initiative that he took single-handedly, and he was appreciated at the national stage. So I come back to the same question, does age really matter while taking action? Just like I believe that age doesn't matter, similarly, in case if you want to take action, if you see a problem nearby, take it as an opportunity and start working on it, because once you start taking actions, miracles will happen, magic will happen, your life will change for good, and you will create an everlasting impact. With this, thank you. Thank you so much.